M0FXB, welcome to my channel. Let's put the FTM500 to the test with the RT system software. We've got SCU20 cable connected at the moment. M0, and then we'll go FXB, F. Now you could use an SD card. I'll try that separately, but first of all, we're just going to try XB, hold down, factory reset. We've got our call sign in there. We're going to dim it down a bit. It's a bit bright, isn't it? That's menu number 2, and then color, we like the red, so we'll go for the red. Menu number 3, push function, and back. So there's our screen. So let's always read from the radio first. So we'll go communications, get data. Now I know it's quite a high menu, so you're going to go to 119 to the clone menu, which is virtually at the end. Why they did it like this, I just do not know. I know they've created 8 shortcuts, but come on, there's 100 odd menu. Just give us the grid back. It's all just point. I know they can because someone's already found it by accident. So 119. This other. So we've been told turn to 119. This other. Then click OK on the computer. Like so. And then push this other and then go OK. And it's gonna, you can see it's reading from the radio now. A bit faster than the last time. So my call sign is in there. You can see it saying sending there. What we're going to do, just to test it, we're going to import some repeaters and send it back to the radio, and we're going to see what happens. And good or bad, we will send it to RT Systems. Then we'll make another test. We will, with the SD card, and there is an SD card, and I'm going to show you how to back up to that already. I've put one in already. So there you are. So that's completed. Seems to have read the radio fine. So now let's send some stuff to it. Now when you send, you go to menu 120. So I'll move that ready. So we'll go File, External Data. Now you can import things like frequency lists here. Look, if you go, see that File, External Data, you got all this. But what I'm going to do is go File, External Data. And I've used RFinder, that works well. Repeater, but we've already got the searches in there. Bristol, UK, 30 miles. 2670. Click OK, and very quickly it's going to find all these, and at the bottom we're just going to get rid of dstart and DMR. We don't need that. And then we're going to, it says here create file for FTM500, so we'll do that. Now it says it's created it there, but just to make sure, I'm going to copy all these, copy, oh, wrong one, copy all these, right click, copy, go back to the original one and paste. Okay, we'll close down the search, and then we're going to try and send either one of these to the radio. So we'll go communication, send data to radio. So we're on number 120. We're going to click OK, push the function, then click OK, and it's now, if it doesn't matter if it goes error, just do it again. It'll work. Communication, send data, click OK. Look, it started to go already. So what it did do earlier, and I'm hoping it doesn't do it again, after I did this, it actually factory reset the radio. I'm hoping that was just human error. So we're going to wait. If it does it again, I'm going to send this video to RT Systems. Thanks for watching my channel. I mean, hopefully it's all fine. Even if there is a slight glitch, Karen at RT Systems and her team bend over backwards to look after every single customer, especially if there's bugs that need to be, corrected. I do like this radio. It's got Bluetooth built in. It's got a nice scope. The PMG mode is really good. I'm going to do a dedicated video just to that. The scope is good. Yes, they could have had a finer scope like you get with, say, ICOM radios and the 710 from Yaesu. But that's fine. I'm sure that's all in the future. But for a C4 FM radio, it works fine. I've been testing my Bluetooth headset on it as well. The SSM-BT10 worked fine. The GPS is working fine. Nice map on that. Nice visuals on that one. The head unit it's a funny one because it's quite a clunky little thing. It's sort of big and bulky. It does fit on the radio quite well and it tilts. The FTM500 is a much, I think, easier head unit to sort of move around. They don't provide you with a stand for this or an SCU cable, which I think they should have for that price. But, you know, we can't have it all. The back unit is the same size as the 300. I'm going to put an FVS voice unit in soon. I've got one here somewhere. So it talks to me. I do like radios that talk to me. The car mounting bracket, very good design, just works. They use that on most of their models now, 300, 200. I'm not sure about the 400, but definitely 500. So hopefully that's all gone in there now. It's just about to complete. If I have to put in my call sign again, then I'll be sending the video to RT Systems. So here goes. Let's have a look. Right. Completed. Then we get the reboot. That's fine. Looks like that's gone in fine. We'll go memory mode. Perfect. So well done to RT Systems. Scroll through the memories. Look. Lovely. Very pleased with that. And let's go to some settings here. So we got file, settings, preferences. Let's do preferences. Memories, fonts, other. Like so. Go click OK. Setting, radio menu settings. Aprs, could get them in there, save me doing it on the radio. M0FXB. Dash, do 9 for now. Everything else looks fine. Aprs modem on, let's turn it on. I'm trying to think if there's anything obvious I need to change. Off duty, that looks fine. Quick message, enable message, call sign. M0FXB. Again, 9. A little bit high. From Andreas. Position. Well, I am getting a GPS lock. I'll just put in some rough position coordinates for now. 51 and 2 here. Change that to west. Enable COM port. I haven't changed the COM port. APRS band, it says here band B. North APRS mute is off. GPS 1200 BPS. That's fine. I'm not doing beaconing. I think beaconing is the idea is that if you go on a journey, it will beacon out your whole thing. I can put a little message here if I want. DTMF settings. I haven't worked out how to change it from auto to manual. Auto means you would just say, if I set it to say number 1 here and I go star, see if I can get it in there, shift, try to find star, there, maybe down here, star, there it is, 3 4 1 5 2 2, and I set it to auto. Then you just, when you DTMF, you just key the mic and push 1 and it will send it, but I couldn't see it in settings. How to change it from, look, see that repeater wires X, manual to auto. It must be there though in, I'm guessing in DTMF settings. I'll have a look, but I couldn't see it. Anyway, so let's send that to the radio. Yes, and then we'll go send data to radio again. Click OK. So we're going to have to hold it down. Other, you want it other. Click OK. other, and then click to OK. Hopefully, do that again. Got an error. Send data to radio. Click OK. It's working. Sometimes you don't have to push the button again. Now, I'm hoping it doesn't reboot this time, but even if it does, remember all my settings have been saved. So I think that's enough for this video. Thanks for watching my channel, and we'll look at the radio from now onwards. Or maybe I'll just pause, and then we'll just see if that's gone in. No, I haven't told it to pause, so we can wait. What else are we going to do? So have you got an FTM500? Have you got a 400 or a 300? Are you thinking if you got a 300 there's not much of an upgrade here? Because what is the big upgrade? Improved PMG, dual C4FM receive, and AESS speakers. That's the big upgrade. So let's see how it goes. Bye for now. 7